Windsor, Eden Beach. Our third one is Talisay Beach, that's our lunch area. And our fourth one is Matinlog Shrine. So, and also our last one is Helicopter Island. Helicopter Island po. Okay, 1, 2, and 3!
May nangyari kay
we have
Uncle
some
Scott.
sort of emergency here, guys.
Spike of sea urchins. You see, it's coming out.
Hi people! So day 3 part 2. Ayan, habang nag-edit ako sa 360, may napansin lang ako sa sarili ko. So ayan, diba? Dahil na-aapak si Uncle Scott ng sea urchin. Binababad yung paa niya sa hot water. And then, yung mukha ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun. Parang, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit parang nadidiri, natatakan, natatakot. Hindi ko alam kung si Discuss o si Fear na lang ata nagkocontrol sa akin dito.
Meron pa kayo dyan ng Tylenol or ibuprofen? Sabi ko!
Workout.
Oo, sabi ko na sabi ko.
Ako, pero hindi naman ako nagdadala naman. Yan yung shrine namin. Yata. Yan ba yung shrine? Ate, matutunaw lang siya, pero yung itim, hindi siyang mawawala agad. Itim niya, nandyan lang yan. Unti-unti lang yan natutunaw. Mga ilang araw yun, bago nawala lang.
Mga 1 week ko hindi sa masakit nila, pero may black man.
1 week na.
Hot water will just lessen the pain, but it will not remove the black spike. The spike. Little by little.
Making it hurt to get rid of pain.
He can take the pain.
Yeah, it hurts to put it in the hot water.
Putting it in the hot
That
water.
doesn't make any sense. Pain to get rid of pain.
You know what?
So, ayun, yung fourth stop namin is yung Matinlog Shrine na may aakyatin ka na hagdan na mataas, then overlooking view yung eto, yan. Lahat na nakikita nyo dito kung nasan kami. Nakikita nyo yan. Kaso, tinubad na kami ni Ivan. Sabi namin mag-snorkeling na lang kami kasi pwede naman. So, ayun na yung gano'n namin. Then, ito yung nakita namin.
Namin ng ulo.
Bob! Ang dami dito!
Pinapakain ng tinapay.
Pinapakain ni Kuya, oh. Bili, halika! Ang dami fish dito! Marunong ka ba yan siya? Halika, bili! Ang dami, Kuya! Kuya!
Pinapakain yung isda
Pinapakain
dito.
isda, ang dami! Nagkukulpulan sila!
Dito.
Dito ang dami!
Ayun lang yung ginawa namin sa fourth stop. Yan, manood ng isda, mag-swimming. So, after nun, yan, umahan na kami.
May bata sila!
Uploading po ako dito. Saan tayo kakapit? Saan daw po? Forward down? O, mami, forward. Yes, where are you? Si Daddy. Go, go, go. Hawak lang? Okay, hawak. Hawak sa tali. Diyan kami magaling. Magpahita. Okay na tali. Di ba? Okay, hawak din. dito sa bangka, baka iwasan to.
Kuya! Patay!
Guys, katatapos lang namin sa fourth stop. Sobrang labo naman ang camera niyan. It's still malabo. We're on our way to our fifth stop. Dapat talaga shrine yung fourth stop namin. Kaso tinamad namin yung makyat na nakapagod.
Parang Aguinaldo Shrine.
Kaya siya nag-Counter Island. No better.
Ma'am sir, okay? So we stay here like 40 minutes po. So if you want to do snorkeling, so that side, inside of that line, so that's the swimming area. And then swimming area, ma'am sir, okay?
Guys, halika dito.
Nangawit na yung labi ko. Nangawit na yung bibig ko.
Island sitting on the white. Guys, sobra enjoy dito guys. Pahinga lang kami dito guys. I'm not feeling.
Babalik na Palawan.
Last island sa Palawan guys.
This is our last stop, last and final stop for island.
Tomorrow
Kasi
kasi is city tour
City
na.
tour na.
Not
May
island.
city naman kami. Dapat sinagal na, no?
Dapat tour package B naman kasi nakakuha na namin yung ANC, bale 10 island na yung aming na-explore. Dapat 20. Kailangan natin mag-extend ng 1 day. Ay, sorry. Tara, floating tayo papunta dito.
Dapat parang lago. Parang jelly. Yan.
Yeah, let's see. Ito pala floating guys. Fish.
Ni, gusto mo ba? Okay, let's go there. Balik na tayo, guys. Hindi pa naman. Kaya lang tayo na lang nandito. Ang bagay, meron pa yung 4 to.
Tama na.
Ay, tawag na daw. Luwis tayo, di ba? Oh, hindi ka na, hindi ka na.
Late kulak siya. Hindi makarating tayo doon. Hindi na kasi si Daddy na ka. Ay, pa. Balikan niyo na lang ako.
Ano, ay na? Ayaw bumitaw? Okay. Kaya muna.
Ay, pabalik na kami.
Update na po ako.
Pabalik na kami, guys.
Ako naman pala yung mga ako.
Wala akong picture sa red na to. Makita ko na lang. Nagdamit na ako kasi bawal na hindi doon sa yun. Pabalik na kami.
So before you go down, please double check all your things and belongings. And also don't forget like important things, ma'am sir. And all things from the office like mask rocker, water shoes, so bring it back to the office as well, ma'am sir, okay? So if you really enjoy your tour today, ma'am sir, don't forget, if you want to put Google reviews and Google, ma'am sir, Overlap Traveling Tours, and Facebook page, Overlap Traveling Tours po, and TripAdvisor. So we'd like to say thank you so much for that, ma'am sir, okay? So, if you, alright, so again, thank you so much, ma'am sir, and see you around, and God bless po. Thank you so much, ma'am sir.
Thank you! Thank you, kuya! Jom.
Salamat, salamat.
Pupunta kayo dito.
Look for Kuya Jom. Jom.
Luis Boat.
And the Luis boat. Bye guys. Thank you. I'll update you for dinner later. It's Tita Minet's birthday pala today. Kaya
Dito na kami ngayon sa hotel. Hindi pa ako nakaligo. Kasi naliligo pa sila. Dito na kami magdi-dinner sa may tapat, guys. Nakita ko yung, andun na yung hotel namin. Yan. Tumawid lang kami. Ito na yung birthday celebration ni Tita. Binet.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oo, yun. Okay yun.
Sige po.
Ito, happy birthday po. Thank you, Be. Hello.
Six a.m. tomorrow we'll have our breakfast. 7:30 pickup time.
7:30. Sis are from the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1.
Iwan niyo na ako sa Palawan.
1 p.m. kami mag-city tour. So, babay na. Kasi naantok na ako. Good night. End na to ng day 2. Day 2, day 3. Day 3. Bye.